Welcome to this technical guide addressing 10 frequently asked questions about residual current circuit breakers, or RCCBs. FAQ 1. What is an RCCB? An RCCB is a critical safety device that detects earth leakage currents and instantly cuts the power supply, protecting humans from electric shocks. FAQ 2. Can we use an RCCB without earthing? Yes, an RCCB detects leakage independently, even without a formal earth wire. However, for total safety, you need both the RCCB and proper earthing. FAQ 3. What is the difference between an RCCB and an RCBO? An RCCB detects leakage current only and needs a separate MCB for overload protection. An RCBO is an all-in-one device that detects leakage, overloads, and short circuits, saving panel space. FAQ 4. Are RCD and RCCB the same thing? RCD, or Residual Current Device, is the family name. RCCB is a type of RCD, alongside RCBO, SRCD, and PRCD. FAQ 5. Why does an RCCB trip frequently? Common causes include faulty appliances with broken insulation, moisture intrusion in junction boxes, neutral earth faults, and shared neutrals between different circuits. FAQ 6. What are the different types of RCCB? The main types are Type AC for standard AC, Type A for pulsating DC in modern homes, Type F for frequency-controlled loads, and Type B for heavy industrial smooth DC applications. FAQ 7. Which is better, 30 mA or 100 mA? 30 mA provides high sensitivity and protects human lives, typically used in areas like bathrooms. 100 mA or 300 mA offers lower sensitivity, protects equipment, and is used in factories or large lighting systems. FAQ 8. What is the difference between 2-pole and 4-pole? 2-pole connects one live and one neutral wire, filtering single-phase power for small homes. 4-pole connects 3 live wires and 1 neutral, filtering 3-phase power for commercial buildings. FAQ 9. How do you test an RCCB? For a basic check, press the test button. The switch must flip down and the power must go off. Electricians use special meters for more accurate trip time tests. FAQ 10. Is an RCCB mandatory? Yes, electrical authorities require RCCBs for safety. Governments mandate upgrades for older homes, and non-compliance can result in severe fines. To summarize, your RCCB is your first line of defense. Remember to select the correct type and sensitivity, test it regularly, and ensure compliance, as electrical safety is mandatory.